What are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna do chocolate emojis.
Yeah, if you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Being stuck at home doesn't have to be boring, right? But the kid needs something to do, right?
I choose the right one.
You need something to do to stop you get bored?
I choose the right one for her.
Yes. Let's take the opportunity to make some chocolate for kids. Just follow along. It's easy and fun. We are using a simple mold and Nutella, so let's get on with it.
Just like mine.
The high quality chocolate, no need for this recipe, and low quality, that is no good for this recipe either. So you can get the normal chocolate you eat, and the other one is Nutella. For the chocolate, we use milk chocolate, high quality, and low quality, no as well. You can use the chocolate, the one that you eat. Kitty, stop eating it. First of all, we will melt the chocolate in microwave for 30 seconds. We will melt the chocolate in 80% power. By the way, we used 300 grams chocolate for 3 mold, 100 grams each.
It's melted. Still doesn't like it. Chop it up, Mommy.
Yeah. Don't forget, the chocolate will continue to melt after you take it out the microwave. Stir it up, make the chocolate smooth.
Guys, look. Spin, 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 spin.
Shall we put it in a mold?
Yeah.
After we melt the chocolate and it's smooth like this, right? Like that, which means the chocolate is ready to put it in the mold. So first of all, in the first layer, we will put this chocolate in, but we just fill half.
There is a smiley face.
Yeah.
And there's a winking face. That's like this. And this.
For the Nutella one, I use the icing bag, right? And then put
This one's.
nozzles. Put nozzles in. Just like that.
Like that.
If you haven't got one, you can use the plastic bag and cut the end off, just like that.
This one.
So
This one is
I will put Nutella in icing bags first. This is the right consistency of Nutella. So it's very hot weather in Thailand, so we just let it out from the fridge. But in your country, you may need to whip it up first before you do it to get the right consistency like this.
I'm sleepy. Just kidding.
So for this recipe, we use 2 tablespoons.
Mommy, here you go. I use a kitchen towel.
So now the chocolate get a bit hot, so I cannot drop it in a mold. I will melt a little bit for 10 seconds. Okay, now it's ready. Carry. Don't eat it all up.
Ui, ui, mommy,
อะไร
I folded up.
Katie what you doing Ooh.
Wait, I'm gonna do my devil.
Okay, you do that.
Hey, no.
Okay, no.
My devil.
Your devil.
Mm-hmm.
So now we finished the first layer. So mommy need to tap the chopping board first to level the chocolate. Just have a little tap. That's it. Then now it's time for squeeze Nutella.
Can I try? Oh, wait, mommy, can I try, please? Not beautiful. It looks terrible.
Would you like to do it?
Yeah. Squeeze.
Yes, squeeze.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Mommy's, this is a bear? Why is mommy? Surprise! Like a big, mommies are real good at cupcakes.
And then we let it set it up for 10 minutes. So I just take them out from the fridge. For now, I will finish off the mold, fill the chocolate up to the top. But I need to melt the chocolate first before I top it up. Just need about 10 seconds. Ui, no, no, being bad.
I'm gonna pull.
Okay.
Filling. Big pieces. Yeah, go.
Oh. And then we scrape. It doesn't matter if you make a mess because it's a mess. Because that's how it is.
Don't worry if you make a mess on your shirt. Your mom can wash it.
So we not throw this left chocolate away. We will eat with bread. Right, Katie?
Yeah.
So we finish the topping, we filled it up, all the mold, right? And then leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Done. The thing is done.
30 minutes is already passed. So how to take the chocolate out from the mold is very easy. You just put your finger in the back of the mold like that, and then push it in.
Push it out.
Put it forward like that, and then the chocolate mold will come out easily, just like that. Look.
Mine was great.
Boop.
Oh yes, the devil.
Yes.
I'm gonna take.
Hey, can you finish that one? Set it up in the right time.
Hey, mommy, you take the last one.
นี่ last one คืออันนี้ Come on Yay well done ปรบมือให้ตัวเองหน่อย
I'm gonna eat all of them.